Thank you for joining us on the news updates on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State has announced readiness towards ensuring prompt implementation of the new national minimum wage of 70,000 naira. The decision, according to the governor, followed the comprehensive discussion the government held with the state chapter of the Nigeria Labour Congress. In a media chat with journalists at the government house, the governor said that the move was aimed at mitigating the negative effects of inflation that led to the high cost of living in the country. Governor Uzodinma emphasized that his administration was committed to enhancing the well-being of the state's workforce amid economic stagnation. The River State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, has called for urgent intervention to prevent the state government from disobeying court rulings, which they fear could lead to lawlessness. The state chairman of the PDP, Aaron Chukwuemeka, made this appeal on Thursday after delivering protest letters to security agencies in the state. PDP members in River State loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyeso Wike, and members of the All Progressives Congress loyal to Tony Okocha staged a protest demanding the suspension of the local government council elections scheduled for October 5, 2024. The protesters gathered at the PDP State Secretariat on Aba Road before marching to the offices of the Department of State Services, DSS, and the River State Police Command Headquarters to express their concerns. Chukwuemeka warned that if security agencies fail to act, the PDP will ensure that the elections do not take place, emphasizing the party's commitment to maintaining peace and upholding the rule of law. River State Governor Siminalaye Fubara has expressed surprise at the actions of the police in allegedly attempting to invade the premises of the River State Independent Electoral Commission, (INEC), to disrupt the planned local government election on Saturday. Speaking during a media briefing at the government house in Port Harcourt, Governor Fubara on Friday said the move was surprising because he had previously received information indicating that the police intended to withdraw from the local government elections. He questioned why River State is being singled out, especially with what he described as an undue focus on an electoral body that falls under state jurisdiction. He pointed out that the court ruling from Abuja had only instructed the police not to provide security to government election scheduled for Saturday to go on. Addressing a gathering in Port Harcourt, the governor declared that the IGP would have to shoot him to prevent his entrance into the INEC premises. A human rights lawyer, Falana, has described blogger Very Dark Man's allegations against him as infantile radicalism. The controversial blogger, whose real name is Martins Otsi, had shared the voice notes in which crossdresser Idris Okuneye, better known as Bobrisky, claimed to have given some officials of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, 15 million naira to drop money laundering charges against him. In the voice note, the crossdresser claimed that Falana sought a presidential pardon for him in exchange for 10 million naira. However, the lawyer has labeled the claims in the voice note untrue and insisted on an apology from Very Dark Man. He also denied knowing Bobrisky and said both of them never spoke. Justice Evelyn Maha of the Federal High Court in Abuja has issued an order restraining the Directorate of the Road Traffic Services, commonly known as the Vehicles Inspection Office, VIO, from stopping, impounding, or confiscating vehicles on the road. The court also barred the road traffic services from imposing fines on motorists. The judgment stemmed from a fundamental rights enforcement suit filed by human rights activists and public interest attorney Abubakar Marshal. Justice Maha in the judgment agreed with the applicant's contentions that there is no legal basis for the VIO and its officials to stop, impound, or confiscate vehicles or to levy fines against motorists. You're watching Enyimba TV News. After the short break, the news continues with the lead story for the day in addition to business and sports updates. Please stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back back and thanks for staying tuned. Counsels to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipop, said their client, Nnamdi Kanu, did not disrespect the judiciary or the court for asking judge to recuse herself. Addressing a press conference in Abuja, the team lead by Aloy Ejimako said the Department of State Services, DSS, has continued to disregard court ruling, allowing the legal team unmonitored access to their clients. Another member of the legal team, Nemeka Ejiofor, said Kanu was not feeling secured and his fundamental rights protected, hence the decision to ask the judge to recuse herself from his case. He added that the IPOP leader is ready to appear before any judge who would be unbiased. And on business, Zenith Bank's recent information technology infrastructure maintenance has left many Nigerians frustrated and unable to access their phones. The bank had announced that it is undertaking routine maintenance of its IT infrastructure to improve the quality of its services. Although the bank did not specify the exact nature of the maintenance, media reports revealed it involved migrating its core banking platform from Phoenix, a software developed by London-based Finastra, to Oracle's FlexCube. Such a transition involves the transfer of large volumes of data and is far more complex than regular maintenance, often requiring extended timelines. Unfortunately, the maintenance has extended beyond the bank's initial estimates, leaving many customers stranded and frustrated. These prolonged disruptions have escalated tensions, with some customers protesting outside Zenith Bank's branches due to long delays in accessing their phones. And finally, from sports, House of Representatives has passed a resolution to probe the abysmal performance of Team Nigeria at the Paris 2024 Olympics to forestall future occurrences. The House expressed worry that none of the 82 athletes who represented the country returned with a medal. The lawmakers decried the huge budget of over 12 billion naira for the event, which yielded nothing. The House also urged President Bola Tinubu to establish a commission for inquiry on sports arbitration in Nigeria. And that's a package of news for now. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. On behalf of the production team, I am Mary Ihejirika saying, have an amazing day.